A word to the wise about uploading reads, whether you're using the Fastq Utilities Service, you want to assemble it, maybe you want to look at SNPs in the variation service, maybe you want to do RNA-seq. Let's talk about the ways that you can do these things. Now, generally, whatever interface we have, this looks familiar. You'll have paired reads, single reads, or SRA accession, where you can take a run accession directly from the sequence read archive and analyze it here. And notice with the paired reads, there are 2 read files, and with the single read, there's 1, and you would just put the SRA number there and then move it over. But we really want to talk about uploading, because this is where a lot of people who are using BV-BRC get messed up, and I get a lot of tickets about that. So let's say I want to upload some reads here. And I'm going to click on this folder icon, and that opens a window to my workspace. Now, remember, I'm starting within the Fastq Utilities app. And this is showing me my private workspace, and I would like to navigate to a place where I want to put these reads. So I'm going to put them here. This upload icon here, I will click on this, and it's telling me it's going to upload reads, and that the reads are in FASTA or Fastq format. They typically end either .fa or .fasta or .fq or .fastq, and that GenBank formatted files are not accepted. So if I clicked the select file, then it's showing my computer, and it is sieving out the things that aren't of interest, that the service is looking for FASTQ or FASTA or .fa. And so let's click on this, and let's click on open. And notice that it's tagged as reads. This is important. When it's tagged as reads, that means that the assembly service, the variation service, the RNA-seq service, the Fastq utility service, they can all see these things. If it's not tagged as reads, even though there are read files there, they're not going to be able to see them, and it'll be very, very frustrating for you. So if you go through the app, it's automatically tagged this way. So let's click Start the Upload. And then on the upload monitor, and I can click here to see it, it's telling me that it is starting the upload. Read files take a long time to upload through the interface. If you use command line, it's quicker. I don't use command line, so I've learned that I have to wait. If I were to submit this job right now, before these things had totally uploaded, it's going to fail. And I get tickets with this all the time. You have to wait until it's completely uploaded. So if you go through the app, it's going to be okay. But if you go through the workspace and notice that it's still uploading, I can't close this window, but I could go to other things here. Like I could go into my workspace and click on Home, and it's still working on the upload. It's still working there. But I'm going to go because I want to upload something else now to show that to you. So in the same place, now I'm going to click the upload because I'm in my workspace now, and my workspace has no idea what I want. When I'm in the service, it knows exactly what I want. It knows that I want read files. But from the workspace, it has no idea. So it's open. It's ready to be influenced. So we click the upload icon here. And look here, right now it says unspecified. And where I did click select files, and you can see the interface for my computer, it shows you everything. You can upload any or all of these things into the workspace. It'll take CSV, it'll take text files, it'll take Excel, it'll take PowerPoints, it'll take PDFs, along with FASTA files or read files. This is the read file I want to upload. I know it's a read file. You know it's a read file. So I click open it. BV-BRC doesn't know it's a read file because it's going to tag it as being unspecified. So I could go back in and I could say, no, 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 no. I want this to be reads. And then we get the same message up here, but look, because I made that decision a while ago, it's still unspecified. So I need to get rid of that. Then click Select Files. And now I can click on that. And I say I want it to open. Now it'll be tagged as reads. So start the upload. And we go to the upload monitor and click on that. And oh my goodness, that first one's only 2% uploaded. So I also get a lot of people writing to me and saying something's wrong with your website. I'm trying to upload my data and it's not accepting it, or it's taking too long. Yeah, I know. It does take a long time, but let me share a secret with you. It's not the website. It's probably your internet. My internet, the uploads on it are so slow. And so I just have to wait. And that's what you're going to have to do too if you have poor internet. So go to a place that has really good internet and stay there until it's all successfully uploaded. So let's say you had uploaded something earlier into your workspace. So I'm going to go to my home here, and let's say that this thing I've got labeled as a config file. It ends in FA. And you can see right up here that it's labeled as contigs. I could go into edit type and I could change it. And let's say I want that to be reads. And I say save that. And let's pretend they are read files. As soon as this is over, I'm going to change it right back because I know they're config files. So I save it as reads. It's thinking. It's thinking. You notice there was that message that said, I'm changing things. Now look, up here you can see it's tagged as reads. When it's tagged as reads, if I took it to the annotation service, it could no longer see this, even though this is a config file, because it's tagged with reads. It would say, well, this isn't appropriate. You need to go to assembly. But this is the place where you can do that. And we can change it back by clicking on edit type. I go down and I find contigs. I click save and then look down here. It says we're changing the type again. And our friend is back to being contigs. So we're all still waiting on the uploads. When you're at home, wait until it's uploaded before you do anything with it. And if you are having troubles uploading, and I sympathize because it happens to me all the time, you should try to learn to do the command line specifically for uploading, because that makes it a whole lot easier. Okay, thanks. Bye.